How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see who has unfollowed you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by default, Instagram is not going to give you a list of people's names that have blocked you or maybe unfollowed you, so you have to actually find out manually. So let's just say that you suspect a certain person has unfollowed you here. So you follow this person, but let's say you think that they have unfollowed you. How you can find out is that when you come to your profile page, you can go to the following tab, and when you go to the following tab, if they have followed you, your name will show up at the top. But if they haven't followed you, your name will not show up even if it's searchable. Yeah, if they have followed you, your name will show at the top. So let me just show you to some other profiles here, let's say. So let me just select another profile over here. So I'll just come to the home page and let me just select a person's profile here. When I go to a person's profile and if I go to the following tab, if my name shows up at the top of the following tab, then I am being followed by that person, which means they haven't unfollowed me. But if your name doesn't show up here, it just means that they have already unfollowed you. So this way you can find out who has unfollowed you on Instagram, and this is the way to figure it out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.